A very happy morning, cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you? Fine. And children, my dear students, are you able to complete your notes? How? With your favorite pen? Okay. Which one is your favorite pen or pencil? Okay. So what do you think about that? Mama, when I write with this pencil, no, I score 100 out of 100. बहुत बार आप ऐसा सोचते हो ना कि ये फ्रॉक में मैं कितनी ब्यूटीफुल लगती हूँ. एंड बॉयज़ ऑल्सो थिंक या वी लुक सो हैंडसम एंड ऑल थिंग्स गो इन अ राइट ट्रैक. कितनी बार आप सोचते हो दिस थिंग इज़ लकी, दैट थिंग इज़ लकी फॉर मी. ओके, सो इन सेम वे अ character, Manu also thinks that her scarf, red scarf is so lucky for her. पर किस तरह lucky है? You want to know? Even I want to know. So let's watch a very interesting video. Our topic is Manu's scarf. So my dear students, are you all set with your book and notebook? We are going to watch a very nice video that's based on chapter 9 Manu's scarf, that's on page number 53. In this video we will see about the Manu's scarf, and in next video we'll be going with our reading. Okay children, let's start with our video.
Tomorrow is Manu's birthday. She is trying on her new dress and red scarf. Manu has many scarves, but this is her favorite. Suddenly, she hears her mother's call. Go and play in the garden for some time. Manu changes into her old dress, but leaves the scarf on. It is windy, she says to herself. I must tie the scarf. Manu is in the garden. She is enjoying herself.
So like you, Manu's birthday is going to come. So she was telling to her mama, I should wear this scarf, but mama told, first go and play, then we'll decide. So she walks in a garden wearing his favorite scarf.
She does not notice that her favorite scarf is slipping away. It is falling down. Now it is lying on the ground. Soon a strong wind blows the scarf away. It is now lying on the pavement. People are walking over it. Manu's favorite scarf is becoming dirty. Suddenly, dark clouds cover the sky. Manu runs into her house.
When Manu was busy in playing, so her scarf went down and she didn't notice. And then what happened? It was on the pavement of the garden and all the passers-by were crossing that scarf.
A house. It starts raining. The rain washes Manu's scarf. It becomes clean but is still wet. In the morning, the rain stops. The sun comes out from the clouds. It dries the red scarf. I am now clean and dry, says the scarf to itself. Soon another strong wind sees it. What a beautiful scarf, says the wind. Let me blow it. The scarf flies with the wind and lands on a bed.
When the scarf was on the pavement, then there was a strong wind and a rain, and so the scarf was so dirty. But very next day, when the sun was shining, the scarf was dried up and again the scarf was neat and clean. But what happened? Wind came, blows, and what did the wind do? The wind, let's find out.
This fence is around a house. It is Aarti's house. Aarti is Manu's best friend. She is getting ready to go to Manu's party in the evening. She has of stories as a birthday gift for Manu. It is in a brown paper bag. Aarti wants to wrap it.
And the wind, what the wind does? Wind blows away the scarf. And what happens then? Aarti, who is Manu's best friend, she is getting ready to go on her birthday and she is packing some of the gifts. आप भी किसी के बर्थडे पे जाते हो तो आप भी गिफ्ट पैक करते हो ना. Mama, I'll be giving such a nice gift to my friend. And same way, Aarti, who is Aarti? Aarti is best friend of Manu and she is going to her house.
With in red color paper. She knows that red is Manu's favorite color. She can't find any red wrapping paper. Aarti is sad. Aarti leaves for the party with her mother. On her way, she sees a scarf on the fence. Mummy, she says, look at the scarf there. It looks like Manu's favorite one. Aarti's mother takes the red scarf and ties it around the big book. They reach Manu's house. Aarti wishes Manu and gift.
Aarti did not get a gift paper to tie a Manu's gift because she thought कि red color है ना, वो मेरे पास तो नहीं है, मनु का तो favorite red color है ना, so I don't have that red color paper. So while she was going with her mother, Aarti and her mother, what they saw a scarf nearby the fence. And what the Aarti noticed? Oh, Mama, this scarf is Manu's favorite scarf. Let's do one thing. Why not to tie this gift in that scarf? Then when they reach at Manu's place, what happened then?
Gives her the gift. Manu looks at the gift in surprise. What is this? She looks carefully at the scarf. My favorite scarf! She screams in joy. She gives Aarti a hug and her mother a big smile. This is the best present I've ever got, says Manu as she ties her favorite scarf and blows the birthday candles out. I am really happy today. So am I, says the red scarf happily.
Yes, children, what happened when Manu saw the gift? What she told? Hooray! This one is my favorite scarf. जो scarf मेरा गुम हो गया था ना, वो मुझे वापस मिल गया. This one is my favorite scarf that I have got back. This one is my lucky scarf. Even the scarf was happy to find Manu. And what happened then? They all together celebrate their birthday party. So it was all about Manu's scarf. Manu and scarf both were happy because they both of them were lucky for each other. Okay, so how was the video? You will be writing to me or you will be sending a small message to me that ma'am ये वीडियो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, पर आपको साथ में रीडिंग भी करना है on page number 43. But before that, hold on children, we'll be doing some of the new words. Yes, these are some of the new words based on this chapter. Cow, now.
Good work.
We have to match the rhyming pairs of words like cow, now. Cow, now. Let's find out the next one. Rain. What's the rhyming words of rain? It's, yes, it's bring.
Good work.
Same. Oh, tail. What's the rhyming word of tail? Tell me children, I am waiting for you. Yes. Pail. Good work. My students have become so smart. Water. Yes, water will come. Daughter.
Good work.
When you will repeat, when you will pronounce, you will come to know what are the राइमिंग वर्ड्स. एक जैसा सुर, एक जैसा राइम होता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. नाउ हाइड. हाइड goes to side.
Good work.
Good work. Milk.
Good work.
Good work. Man goes to can.
Good work.
Follow children. It was all the new words from this chapter. One more small worksheet for you.
Tick the correct answer and win a star.
Tick the correct answer and win a star. What is Manu's favorite color? It's blue, red or green?
Good work.
Trying on
Red.
her new dress and red scarf.
Why does Manu not notice that her scarf is slipping away? क्यों notice नहीं किया?
Good work.
She was sleeping.
She does not notice that her favorite scarf is
She
slipping
was
away.
playing. She was busy in playing, so she did not notice. Who make the scarf clean and dry? It's wind. Wind ने तो blow किया, उड़ा कर ले गई. Rain? No.
Good work.
Rain and sun.
And dry.
Who made clean and dry? Rain and sun. So it was all about the Manu scarf. You will be doing these two exercises in your book as well as in your notebook. So it was really an interesting video, no children? Yes, so it was all about this Manu scarf, children. Take care, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye bye students.